Good morning, children. In this video, we are going to learn how to read large numbers in international system. The way you see them in a magazine or a newspaper, or a magazine, they are not written in place value chart. They are written normally using commas. So today we are going to learn how to read them. This is one thing. And second thing which we are going to learn is the relationship between international system and Indian system. For example, there is a person whose name is Sonika and at home they call her Sonu. Now, whether she goes to her home and her parents call her Sonu, or in the class she is being called Sonika, the person will remain the same. Similarly, children, when a number is given, we can read it in Indian system as well as in international system. The number will be the same, but the method of reading will be different in Indian as well as international system. So we are going to learn the relationship. Okay, let's start.
Now we are going to study how to read and write large numbers in international system of numeration. This is the system which you will see in most of the international journals and in foreign channels where you see the news like CNN, IBN, BBC, etc. Okay, let's start. This is just like Indian system. 47,534, 23,450. I'm sure all of you can read these two numbers. Okay, now let us start this. You can see that this is ones period and these three digits are in thousands period. So I have to read these three digits together. 623,700. I repeat, 623,700. Same way, these three digits are in thousands period and these three digits are in ones period. So I will read these three digits together and then I will say thousand. Okay, have a look. 950,704. Okay, now let's go to slightly bigger numbers. Here, these three digits are in ones period. These three digits are in thousands period. And after this comma, millions period start. So, this number is read like this. 8,440,560. I repeat, 8,440,560. Now let us see this one. 2,300,372. Okay, this one. 3,090,800. Children, 090 makes 90 because you will not say 090. You will just say 90. So I repeat this number once again. 3,090,800. Let's read this one. 5,034,506. Same is the case here also. Here there's a 0 and then 34. So you will not say 34,000. Obviously not. You will say it like this. 5,034,506. This one. 2,765,452. This one. 2,900,356. I hope, children, you would have got the hang of it, how to read numbers in international system of numeration. Okay, now we are going to do one more thing which is very, very important, and that is the comparison of two systems, the Indian system as well as the international system. In Indian system as well as in international system, in ones period we have 3 columns, ones, tens, hundred, and same way here also ones, tens, hundred. In thousands period, in Indian system we have only 2 columns, whereas in international system we have 3 columns in thousands period. In Indian system we have 2 columns in lakh period, and mind you children, 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. Now don't get confused. Look at the number. Here there are 5 zeros along with this 1. And here too there are 5 zeros along with the 1. Only the difference is here we have put commas here and here there is only 1 comma. So 100,000 in international system is equal to 1 lakh in Indian system. It is something like, you can compare it with a person who has 2 names. For example, a girl who is also called Sonika and Sonu at home. Now this girl, whether she goes to school and is called by her friends by the name Sonika, or she is at home and is being called by her parents by the name Sonu, the girl will remain the same. The girl will not change. Only the name of the girl is changing. So 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. Same way, after thousands period in international system, we start with millions period. So 1 million is equal to 10 lakh in Indian system. Again children, please note, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and a 1. And here also we have 6 zeros and a 1. So the number is the same. Only the difference is in the commas which we have put. See, only the difference is that. So 1 million in international system is 10 lakhs in Indian system. So the numbers are the same. The numerals are the same. Only the number name is different. And so on. 1 crore is 10 millions and 10 crores is 100 million in international system of numeration. About this we are going to read more in class 5. That's all for today children. Have a great day. Happy learning. Thank you.